Good afternoon. Kimberly Faith here, and I do not have Michael with me. I was actually not even going to shoot what I'm about to do, but I thought it would be helpful and insightful for anyone who is looking for a good kind of suburban hike without having to go to Lake Mead or Red Rock or Mount Charleston. Just kind of a really great and challenging hike in a residential area in Henderson. Today we are going to be climbing Black Mountain, which is that mountain. Doesn't look like much, does it? It is. It's 6.8 miles, 2,000 elevation climb. The last half mile is about, I don't even know, maybe 500, 600. So the worst part of the hike is that last little bit to the top. So I'm waiting here for my friend. You will meet her. Her name is Avery. She's wonderful and fun. I figure why not shoot this? So I'm just waiting for her. We're going to get on the trail in a little bit. So cool. We are going to start on the Anthem East Trail. You are here. Shadow Canyon. See all this? We're not doing any of it. We're basically starting here and going around and up. So, see? So we're going to be picking up Anthem East Trail and going that way. I'll show you more as we go, but that's what we're doing. Lies. All lies. Not really moderate. I would say strenuous. Okay, so the first part of the trail is super easy. But don't worry, the hard will come soon. I have to introduce you to my friend. This is the lovely, the one and only Avery. She is so much fun. She is a blast. I pick good friends. So anytime you see someone on here, they're good peoples. So we're gonna do this. She has no clue what she's in for, and she just said yes to me. I mean, what kind of idiot says yes to my kind of trails? All right, here we go. Okay, when you reach this little utility thing, it's gonna look confusing where you go. Stay a little bit to the right, you'll see a tiny little trail. That's where we're gonna pick it up, and then we'll shimmy up. Exactly to that. Shimmy, shimmy. Okay, so Sloan Canyon, the way they name their trails is numbers. So you're gonna start on 404 and continue on up until you see the Black Mountain Trail. There you go. We came up from way down there, like over there. And this girl's a champ right here. For real, like the first part is like quote unquote easy. But I mean, by easy, it's, I mean, not that easy, because you never get a break. You're never going flat. You're always like constant steady up. So I basically just took this opportunity to shoot a video for you just so I could breathe.
Yeah, this is a great breathing break. I like it.
So I'm gonna get off and breathe. We got Vegas all the way far away, because here's where we are. We are on the ridge here. It's all volcanic rock. That's why they call it Black Mountain, because it's all black rocks. See, the last half mile of this beast is pretty vertical. So the key is, see, there's the flag. The key is slow and steady wins the race. There's no rushing up this thing. It doesn't look like much on video, but dude, it's activate beast mode here. So we're gonna have to. So slow and steady wins the race. Guys, we're almost there. I know. I forgot how hard this was. It is literally way freaking harder that last half mile. Whew. But we made it. We made it. Home means Nevada. I've yet to actually get to the flag. Unless you touch the flag, it doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! We love our first responders.
So sweet.
Yes, we do. Thank you. Here's Vegas. Behind us, there's a fort. Here is our little fort in case you want to come up here and camp. And summit register. The cool thing about this hike though is the road to go to Laughlin is right there. And if we scroll around, Boulder City's way over here. And then more of Black Mountain, Vegas. I mean, it's everything. This is 360 degrees of views. But the bugs are crazy up here. So we're like, we out. We are on our way down. The way down is a lot quicker. It's wonderful. It feels so good and victorious when you just get to go down. It's hot going down. I mean, it could be it could be the time of day. If you're gonna do this during the summer, do it in the morning and pack a lot of water. Also going down that first little bit, that's awful. Just be very, very careful because the rocks are loose and there's a lot of jumping cactuses. That could be a problem, and I don't want you to have a problem, and I don't want it to be my fault.
Legal disclaimer.
Yes, exactly. Yes, nothing is our fault. So anyway, we're going down. It's beautiful, a little windy, but it feels fantastic. Yeah. We did it. We made it. It feels so much better going down. See that? Like, it doesn't even look like a lot. It looks like a little foothill, but it just kicks your butt, man. Like, we're gonna be sore tomorrow. It's been already sore. How long did it take us to do?
Took us about 3 hours.
Okay, it took us 3 hours, and that was pretty ambitious. So give yourself 3 to 5, depending on your fitness level and how slow you want to go. We were kind of hauling ass, especially on the way down. Anyway, thanks for joining. Thanks for the support. We will see you next adventure. Yes.